CBG, cannabigerol gummies, are edible candies that contain CBG, a cannabinoid found in the cannabis plant, and are consumed for their potential therapeutic benefits. CBG gummies offer a convenient and tasty way to consume CBG, potentially providing various health benefits without the psychoactive effects associated with THC. The following conditions that benefit from CBG are as follows. Anti-inflammatory. CBG may help reduce inflammation, making it potentially useful for conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and arthritis. Antibacterial. Studies have shown that CBG has antibacterial properties, particularly against antibiotic-resistant bacteria like MRSA. Neuroprotective. CBG might have neuroprotective properties, which could make it beneficial in treating neurodegenerative diseases like Huntington's disease. Glaucoma. CBG may help reduce intraocular pressure, which is beneficial for glaucoma patients. Appetite stimulation. CBG has been shown to stimulate appetite in animal studies, which could be helpful for individuals dealing with conditions that cause appetite loss. Dosage. The dosage of CBG in gummies can vary. It's important to start with a low dose and gradually increase it to find the optimal amount for your needs. Consumption. Gummies are ingested orally, and the effects are usually felt within 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on various factors like metabolism and whether the gummies are taken on an empty stomach. Hemp-derived CBG. In many places, CBG derived from hemp, containing less than 0.3% THC, is legal. However, laws vary by country and state, so it's important to check local regulations. Cannabis-derived CBG. In regions where cannabis is legal for medical or recreational use, CBG can also be derived from cannabis plants. Important considerations. Quality and purity. Ensure that the CBG gummies are sourced from reputable manufacturers who provide third-party lab testing to verify the purity and potency of the product. Side effects. While generally considered safe, CBG can cause side effects such as dry mouth, dizziness, and changes in appetite or mood. It's important to monitor your body's response and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. Interactions. CBG can interact with certain medications. Consult with a healthcare provider if you are taking other medications or have underlying health conditions. How are CBG gummies made? Infusion. CBG extract or isolate is infused into the gummy candy during the manufacturing process. Ingredients. They typically contain standard gummy ingredients like gelatin or a vegan alternative, sweeteners, flavorings, and sometimes other cannabinoids like CBD for a combined effect. What is CBG? Cannabigerol, CBG, a non-psychoactive cannabinoid found in cannabis plants. Precursor cannabinoid. CBG is often referred to as the mother of all cannabinoids because it is the precursor from which other cannabinoids, including THC and CBD, are synthesized in the plant. Remember to embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more natural tips on today's ailments.